Very scary one. Look at it. I see here. So beautiful. There you go. There's sunset. The frog is there. The sand castle they just built is so beautiful. It's so like one of a kind. Never seen something like that. We want to see it goes down under the gulf. Here's the food I ordered. So they have like mind-boggling. Look at it. What are those shelling in Captiva Island, Sanibel Captiva? At the Captiva Beach on Sanibel Island. I am in Captiva Island, Corner Beach. This is Reza from Reza. 3 miles from where Sanibel Beach Resort we are staying. We want to see it goes down. The sun is about to set on the Gulf. This is Thanksgiving 2024. I just parked my car here. I'm going to order food from there. That way walking. This is Captiva Island. This is the Captiva downtown. It's a beautiful place. It's here. Look at it. It's nice. They have some seafood. They have some canned food. They have some boutique and stuff. People go all the way to there to see the beach. This is Captiva Island Inn. I think this seems like one of the place you can stay here. There's another inn. It's a beautiful little city. Gold parrot here. People just coming back from the beach. Oh, that's a nice place. I didn't think you have to pay $20. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Nice houses. Here, another nice house. It's in Captiva. Wow. There you go. Fishing rentals. Here, we just did the fishing. Vacation rentals here. A lot of vacation rentals. It's a nice little jungle, drums, gallery. You know, party here. Houses are very nice next to the beach. My wife and daughter is there. What do you do? Yeah. Okay. No, I have to go order food. So I said, let me go grab my daughter and wife. Anika, I didn't find parking. I parked on the restaurant. I said, I'm going to order food. I'm going to have to come pick you guys up first and order food. But 20 minutes, we have to go back. Okay. We're going to go back.
Or you can just drive around.
But you want to stay here?
Where did these people park? What do you mean? I'm not staying there. That's short time.
না আমি বসে খাই গা অসুবিধা নেই আমারটা আমি খাই গা আর তোমার হ্যাঁ সানসেটটা দেখবো I'll find it, don't worry about it. Gonna sit, look at it here. Okay. Nice little jungle gallery. You know, party here. The houses are very nice next to the beach. Yolo Captiva Island, Eddie Wildest. Beach is closed for the public. The reason because of the hurricane came a month ago, so they had big damages, and so they're trying to clean it up. So it's a beach closed. Public active construction site having been in use. That's one of the dew point. The ugly duck, I guess, or monkey duck, is closed. Look at it. I guess they had a lot of sand just came, so they piled it up here. Here is the Captiva Beach. Captiva Turner Beach. Here, everybody there. Gonna go here. They are canoeing over there, hiking. This is nice beach. Over there, start from there. Bird is here. People are. That's where the restaurant was taken away now. My wife and daughter keep seeing the shelling. Here people are playing football. The nice little yellow house. I am in Captiva Island. This is Reza from Reza. This is like 3 miles from where Sanibel Beach Resort we are staying, but it is closed for public, but still people coming somehow, some way to stay here. That side also, this is Thanksgiving Day, so more people here. They're canoeing, they're boat riding, they're doing the sand thing. Look at the birds. Look at these little birds. Beautiful birds are here. Nice yellow house over there. Restaurants over there. Here's the birds all going away. Yeah, it's good to see different beaches every day. It's a full up day we had. We got a lot of. Hey. I'm going to eat in, but I'm going to take a couple to go. We're gonna stay till the sunset.
All right,
So,
I will let you serve right now.
yeah, thank you. I'm gonna eat some food here. I think it's called RConers breakfast menu or takeout available. It's in Captiva Island. This is the place. RConers, and then other thing is there. Here they have the food.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, doing fine. How about you?
Good, thank you. My name is Maddie. I'm going to be your server. Can I get you anything started to drink?
Yes, Patty. Just gonna have. Do you have non-alcoholic beer?
Yeah, we have a Stella and we have also a Heineken.
We started with the Heineken, so let's just.
Stella and Heineken are both the ones that we have that are non-alcoholic.
Okay, the Heineken is fine.
Heineken, you got it?
Yeah, thank you.
I got it.
Mhm.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Do you have any questions on the menu right now?
The fish. Do you have any special, or do you know anything good here?
So our special is we do have a chicken Alfredo added to the menu just right now. The chicken, all of the fish on there, it comes as a sway. It's kind of like a tilapia. You could sub out all the fish for an upcharge. It's gonna be mahi, tuna, snapper, and then grouper that we have.
Okay. What's the crunchy fish platter? How that looks like?
It's kind of like it's the sway fish. It's fried, so it's like crispy on the outside, and then you can get two sides with that. And then besides that, you can choose from all up here.
Okay.
You can get mashed potatoes.
I'm gonna order some to go, but I just hate to order without them really. So in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna have cheese sandwich. No, let me just for the time being just crunchy fish. Do you think it'll be good or?
It's really good. It's very popular here.
Okay, yeah, let me have that. And later on, I might order something different.
Not a problem. What two sides would you like with that?
What do I have
There's
choice?
mashed potatoes, fries, there's Spanish rice, there's mixed vegetables, you can do coleslaw, sweet potato fries.
Do you say baked potato? No baked potato.
We don't have it.
Okay, so is what type of mixed vegetable?
It's broccoli, cauliflower.
Broccoli, cauliflower. Okay, you can give the work that one. And what else you have?
We have, you can do mashed potatoes, there's corn, you can do fries, sweet potato fries.
Let's have the sweet potato fries. Okay.
You got it.
Thank you so much. I'll give the one of the, yeah, thank you, yeah.
And you wanted that for here, right?
This one for here, yeah.
Okay, awesome.
But maybe the takeout will take, but maybe you can bring the takeout things too.
You got it, not a problem.
Thank you so much, Patty. Okay, I am at the RConers, so they have the kids onto, they have beverage. This is the place in Captiva. Patty is helping me with the waitress. I ordered crunchy fish platter. It's $26.99. 0% alcohol free thing Heineken here. So island pancake or doing dinner pasta, shrimp and linguine. There you go. I'll let you know how it test. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna eat some food here. I think it's called RConers breakfast menu or takeout available. It's in Captiva Island. This is the place. RConers, and other thing is there. Here they have the food. There is a little tree over there. The other places, it looks like a beautiful little island. It's called RConers Island. It's a couple of the people there. They're just hearing the music thing. I think they play music probably at night time. It looks that way. Later places are happening. It's a travel channel.
The what channel?
Travel.
Travel.
Yeah, travel channel.
Yeah, that's cool. They're big. That's good. YouTube travel is.
Yeah, I've been traveling a lot. Like last.
So are you documenting? How many countries have you been to?
More than 75.
Oh my gosh.
But I wish I documented it.
Cool.
But I wish I did, but I didn't do it yet. But I'm gonna continue on.
I want your YouTube channel. I want to look at it.
It's gonna get there one day, I hope.
Here you are.
All right. Thank you so much, Patty.
Of course.
Thank you so much. Here is the food. That's where he's playing. Client, the tumors are there. He's playing over there. Not many people here today because it's a Thanksgiving holiday. So I'm out. I need to park a car here in Captiva. So I got stuck here in restaurant. I ordered food. Let me see how good is that. And I'll let you know because food is my way of going to places and see the places with the culture, and let's see what type of food they giving me. It has to be fish because I don't eat meat, either fish or vegetable. Thank you. Fried fish, I think grouper and something. The sweet potatoes. This is sweet potatoes, French fries. And there's the salad, mixed salad with the broccoli and cauliflower. This is about $27, but it's in the islands. Pay a little bit more money, but you get good food out of that. All right, let me go ahead and gobble it up on Thanksgiving Day. Island vacation rental. There's a lot of rentals place here, so you can come here and rent place also. This is a nice little town. It has its own charm. It has its own beauty, and you'll love it. Right now, not many people here, but keep in mind it is a holiday. So Thanksgiving Day, I'm here. All right, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. You have a wonderful rest of the year. Beach, here is more thing going on. We are gonna go see the sunset. He's driving people off with this cart. This is a club car, so they're bringing people here for the sunset. We are gonna see the sunset in Captiva Island this time, Captiva, Florida. I'm gonna put my shoes also here. Okay, I wanna find my wife. They're probably right over there. I'm gonna go over there. Here, people are here after the Thanksgiving dinner. They're out and they are gonna play and stuff. So that's why they're here. I don't know where they are, but I'm going to walk towards that way. Beach time. Here is a Captiva little beach time. Here the sun is about to set. The people over there is coming, everybody coming to the beach after the dinner. So they are dipping onto the ocean. The beach is so beautiful here, calm. Everybody is trying to find stuff here. A lot of shellings are here. My wife and daughter said it's better in Captiva Island than Sanibel, but we'll see. We are here 2 more days, so we'll find out where we get the best stuff from Sanibel Island. Created a sand castle over there. Let me see what type of sand castle is made, and I will take a picture, get on YouTube information there. Okay, the person doesn't have the leg right. She's just walking more than 10 kilometers today. I don't know why. They built a sand castle here with the sand and all kind of shells. The Florida conch, beautiful made. Just handmade it. Mind-boggling. Look at it. They just did it with whatever they got it from here. That is a project. That is a beautiful project. Never seen it. Wow. This is really nice. Sunset would be right in front of a castle. So they're picking things up and they're putting things there. Look at how beautiful they decorated it. It's just like handcrafts. Everything they got to the hand. She's putting it there now. See, is all the effort. Look at that odd little thing. They just is all details. Wow, this is. It would be nice sunset on next to the cap. There's one that way. The sun is about to set right there in a beautiful Captiva Island, and that goes to all the way there. There's Captiva Island there. The sun is setting now. This is going. The sun is about to set all the way in, halfway down. Look at the halfway down under the gold. There is that with the thing, and there, right here, right now. There you go. The sand castle. We made it. Look at it. How nice is that? It's right next to the sun setting. Get it? How beautiful. Looking at the sunset on the castle, and that way they did it. Look at how close. And it's, wow, this is beautiful. I never seen something like that. I really enjoyed every bit of it. They've created a sand castle. A sand castle is a lot different than what I've seen it before. I've seen it a few. This is one of a kind. 5-6 people got together. They found a lot of nice shelling. The shell we love to take with us. They got those. They got other stuff. They built a castle with so many new things, stuff in there. You must see it. I will put it on the YouTube, and it's gonna be fun to look at it. Beautiful. sun about to set on the Gulf. Few more minutes. Look at how beautiful the sun is. The water coming all the way to there. The good thing, look at it, is these people just build this beautiful castle with their own hand lobs and everything. Shell, mostly the Florida conch and few other. It would be nice to see the sunset right next to the sand castle. The beautiful sand castle they built here. Mind-boggling. I love it. Look at the huge wave is coming next to the sun. They're catching the fish. They're walking around from all the way the other side, the beach. A hurricane going on, it got devastated. Everywhere we found that everything closed, that's why. And on middle of that, these guys join effort. They made the beautiful castle. There is one. I've never seen something like that. I would love to be saved. And the thing is still rising. There you go. The sun is about to set. The sun is about to set right there. There's Captiva Island there. The sun is setting now. There you go. Just set it all the way down. Went under the castle. The sun is right over there now. The sun is hiding over there. She got more stuff now. She's adding. Wow, that is a joint effort. They all made it happen. I tip my hat to them. They really did a great job. Very, very good job. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube. Look at it. Wow. Thank you guys. All right, enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks. Going home now. We're done with the. Wow, this is coming all over. Look at the hawk shell is there. Oh, a lot of shells right everywhere. Picking up. That's it. Because this is wow. Can't even walk. Too much shell. So much shell. We had fun. We had a good sunset. It was a wonderful time over here. We love to do it again. One of the beautiful beach around here. I know this is open. There's jungle dorms. The nice chairs there, beautiful houses around. Hopefully car is there. I can see my car, so I should be okay. The music is still going on. The person played music, nice music. It's beautiful.
Okay, what you want to do with it?
You gonna eat it? Do you need to get the food? More food?
No, I don't think so. We have food, right?
Yeah.
You know the way home?
Yeah. This is the place I was parked here.
Sunshine?
She was
It's all
nice.
expensive?
No, it's expensive, yeah. $28 for $30.
I don't need it also.
The waitress was nice. The person was sang for me on the YouTuber sang, and we had a good time.
Total height actually, এটা low tide না.
The sand castle was, oh my god, that's incredible they did. I took pictures, I took video.
Huge. Like, let us live there. You guys
We'll
are
live
barely here.
All right, thank you for watching my video. Take care, have a beautiful life.